Good day. My name is Vandenus. I'm a business development manager at STIHL South Africa, and today I want to show you the new BT230. The BT230 is an Auger. It's a 1.55 kilowatt machine, and it comes with, or at least it's part of the developing market range. The nice thing about that is the spares are interchangeable between the range, and the range consists of the Auger, a water pump, a cultivator, and a sprayer. This Auger is utilized on many places on a farm. It can be utilized for drilling holes for fencing, for trellising, and anywhere a hole needs to be dug. Anyway, enough about that. Let me show you how it works. Thanks for watching.